There is more. To lose. Wait. Hold up, God. What you mean? What you mean there's more to lose? I ain't got nothing for nobody to take. I ain't got no money. We ain't got no heat at the house. I done already let go of this fine man over here, Jesus. I done did that for you. What you mean there's more to lose? Matthew 19:29 says, and everyone who gives up houses or brothers or sisters or fathers or mothers or children or property for my name's sake will receive, say will receive, everything in return and inherit eternal life. You said, Jesus said you will receive 100% of everything you gave and inherit eternal life. That is a promise. That is not a lie. Jesus is a man that never knew a lie, so you can take his word for face value. College. I am here to remind us to keep our gaze fixed heavenward. To keep our gaze fixed on the things that don't pass away. To keep our gaze fixed on the things that don't have an expiration date. To keep our gaze fixed on the things of the everlasting, because you know what? You may not see everything you give the moment you give it. You may not see it, but our God is faithful and just to give it back. I will take a couple L's for this season in order to get to my reason. A loss in one direction is a gain in another. Somebody shout! Somebody shout! Somebody shout! College, there is more to lose. There is more to lose in order to gain. Amen.